Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to create a waterless, easy herbal mask. This is the product here I'm talking about, and one of the great things about this product is just how versatile this one formula can be. So we add a little bit of water. At the time we want to apply it, we give it a little stir, and it easily becomes a non-dripping paste. As a ready-to-use, easy to apply herbal face mask. Now, to make this product we start with kaolin, and because there is no water in the formula we do not have to worry about a preservative. So to this I am adding some green clay, I am adding some zinc oxide for antibacterial claims, and then I am adding some rose hip. Now this is totally optional, but this is how you can build your story, change the product to be exactly what your company wants to create. And I've also got some xanthan gum. Now this is really important. This helps the product gel really fast when a little bit of water is added. And it also helps it be a non-drip formula when it's applied to the skin. So you could add different color clays here, you could add some calamine, you could add some rose petals, you could add all sorts of things here to create your own custom formula. Then I'm just adding a little bit of essential oil, some antioxidant, and some lipids. And again, that's more about product story and making the product smell nice for the consumer. Now in large batches, it's very easy to stir with a ribbon blender. And there we have our herbal mask, just ready to have water added and be applied. Now I've shown you this formula, and of course you can manipulate it in a number of ways to suit your company philosophy. It's also a very basic product, so even beginners could start out making this type of product. Even advanced skincare brands can benefit from having a waterless mask in their range. Some of the key benefits of this product form is because there is no water, we don't need to worry about a preservative, and let's face it, most consumers have an issue with most preservatives out there anyway. It also makes it really convenient to ship. We're not shipping water, so we're not adding to product shipping costs by having a ready-made mask form with a high percentage of water. They simply add it at the time of application when they're about to put it on their face. It's a fantastic in-salon experience for the customer to see their mask made when it's ready to be applied to their face. And because there's no water until the time of application, they don't need to worry about pH adjustments either. So as you can see, easy to make, easy to create, and easy to change to suit your company philosophies. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. This video was created because I have been asked how to create this product form several times, and of course one of the key secrets in this formula is that xanthan gum, because it gels rapidly as soon as the water is added. It means that then you have a non-drip mask that is easy to apply and also feels very silky and conditioning on the skin. Please leave any comments or questions below, and of course make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for notifications of all of our video releases. And now it's over to you to get creative with your herbal face masks. Happy formulating!